The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to be the next big step in compact filmmaking. The Pocket series has always been about delivering pro-level quality in a tiny frame, and now with talk of Hasselblad's legendary imaging technology joining the mix, expectations are higher than ever. Imagine carrying a camera that gives you sharper detail, richer colors, and a cinematic look, all from a device that literally fits in your pocket. That's the promise here. But the real question is, how much of this is a true leap forward and how much is just clever branding? In this video, we'll explore what's new, what's expected, and what could make this the go-to tool for vloggers, solo creators, travelers, and even indie filmmakers. We'll dive into image quality, stabilization, low light performance, and more to see if the Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be a game changer. So stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it. The Osmo Pocket line has always been known for innovation, but the Osmo Pocket 4 is looking to push things even further. One of the most exciting rumors is the possibility of HDR video with real-time tone mapping. If this comes true, it would mean better highlight retention, smoother transitions in bright and dark areas, and an overall more cinematic look. Hasselblad's involvement in image processing could take this to another level by delivering richer, more accurate colors. Low light performance is also a major area of anticipation. Leaks suggest a wider aperture lens, possibly f/1.6 or even faster, paired with an improved ISO range. This combination would allow creators to capture clean, detailed footage even at night or in dimly lit environments. Instead of grainy or noisy images, you could expect clearer shots that hold onto the details. Battery life is another practical improvement that could make a huge difference for creators on the go. Sources suggest that the Osmo Pocket May 4th offer up to 180 to 200 minutes of continuous 4K recording. When you add in USB-C PD fast charging, which could fully recharge the device in under an hour, this makes the camera much more reliable for long shoots, travel vlogs, or event coverage where downtime is not an option. Video recording capabilities may also see a significant boost. While the Pocket 3 topped out at 4K 60 frames per second, the Pocket 4 is rumored to support 6K video at 30 or even 60 frames per second. Paired with higher bit rates, potentially over 200 megabits per second, this would deliver cleaner footage with more data to work with during post-production. The addition of 10-bit D-Log-M support would further expand creative options, giving filmmakers more flexibility in color grading to achieve exactly the look they want. The physical design is also expected to evolve. A larger touchscreen, close to 2 inches, could make it easier to monitor shots and adjust settings on the fly. A refreshed interface inspired by DJI's drone controllers could add tools like live histograms, zebra stripes, and customizable quick functions. For creators working in fast-paced or unpredictable environments, having these tools built directly into the camera would be a major advantage. Stabilization has always been one of the strongest aspects of the Osmo series, but the Pocket 4 could refine it even further. Improved 3-axis gimbal motors with adaptive response modes could deliver smoother footage across a wider variety of shooting scenarios. Combined with the rumored Smart Tracking 5.0, this could allow the camera to intelligently follow subjects, detect faces, and adjust framing automatically. For solo vloggers or mobile journalists, that means professional-looking shots without needing an extra operator. Altogether, these features suggest the Osmo Pocket 4 is moving far beyond being just a casual vlogging tool. It's shaping up to be a powerful, lightweight, and versatile filmmaking companion. Whether you're shooting travel content, documentaries, or short films, this camera could provide a strong balance between portability and performance. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be more than just an upgrade. It looks like a complete reimagining of what a pocket-sized camera can do. With rumors pointing to Hasselblad's imaging expertise, better low-light capability, improved stabilization, and even 6K recording, this device could easily become one of the most exciting compact cameras on the market. What stands out most is how it blends professional features into such a small package. A bigger screen, longer battery life, fast charging, and advanced tracking all point to a camera that's designed for real-world creators. Whether you're traveling light, shooting daily vlogs, or working on creative projects, the Osmo Pocket 4 promises to give you cinematic quality without the bulk of traditional gear. Thanks for watching Technify. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, drop a comment with your thoughts, and share it with fellow creators. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews and guides. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and keep your adventures alive with Technify. See you soon.